So here again is the original, one off, all glued and written and everything into a sketchbook. And then here is a finished copy, number 1 of 100. And this is not on the original, but I bought these little rabbits that are going to go on every one. Fold them together into a signature and then try to trim them to make them look like they're this worn out book that I carried for 15 or 20 years in my backpack. And I can't fuck this up, you know, because I don't have any extras. Trying to clean up these last little... I don't want to have any of the little white stuff, you know. And again, why would I need to narrate that? I think it's pretty obvious, right? That looks good. Jump up when this goes off. Yeah. And I have to glue it in there now, which is kind of nerve-wracking, you know. And there's the original photograph, and it also had the Kodak stamped on the back, you know, Kodak paper, and then Josh wrote, you can almost smell the interior. So I had this actual letter printed at the printer, but everything else I'm making myself, including the photograph and the envelope. Yeah, it's a lot easier to do this when I'm not doing a video. You still filming? How was his Spider-Man stamp, if it came out good or not? With the stamp that actually, from the post office in Lima, Peru, recreated there. And then I'll put this in the book. Shouldn't be telling you that, because I don't want people to know that it's not perfect. Give it a little more of a worn look, right? Real staple, fake staple. Ta-da! This is a really pathetic letter too, where I'm pining after this woman. I want her to have me back, and meanwhile I'm off traveling, and you know, and I tell her how much I want her, even though she's not going to have me anymore. And I just printed onto the back the stain and the back side of the page, which kind of matches up, which is good. So this is a map that I got in Myanmar for a trek that I did. That's where I'm going to sign it and edition it. That's the 6th one. For my friend Jason, bad angle on my bald spot and my big nose.